So in this part, I'll show you how you can set up your Windows or Linux machine to start programming in SQL, okay? To start executing SQL commands or SQL queries, views, those ones, okay? So in order to start using SQL. So to do that, you are going to use to install a database management system on your computer, okay? And some of the most popular ones they include the MySQL, which is free, open source, and widely used for web application, okay? And I recommend you to install that one, okay? And another one is the PostgreSQL, and this one is also free and open source, but it has more advanced features, okay? And another one is the SQL Server, okay? And this one you can get it from Microsoft, okay? And this one is popular in enterprise environment. You can also use another one, which is the Oracle database, and this one is powerful but mostly used in big organizations, okay? So I'll show you how you can use even the command line interfaces, okay, after installing your environment, okay, the database management environments, okay? So you will need another software, which is the code editor, okay? You know, it will ease your work, okay, when writing SQL commands, okay? So let me show you something here. So the code editor that I recommend a VS Code, okay, which is popular and it is beginner friendly, okay? It doesn't have complex things, okay? You can also install Sublime Text, okay? So they are here, okay? You can install Sublime Text, but Sublime Text, it is right there, okay? It has this icon, okay? You can also install it, you can get it from the internet, okay? So the one that I recommend is called VS Code. I have a video for that on how to install VS Code. You can go in the description, there is a link there, okay? Just click in the title of this video, you will see a link, okay? You will see a link in the description there. And it will direct you to a video where I will show you how you can install VS Code on your computer, okay? So here, after installing VS Code, you can open it and then go to this icon, click this icon, which is extension. It shows extensions. So it is right there. Let me zoom a little bit. It is right here. So click it and then you search for locate this search bar and then search for SQL, and you will need to install this extension, okay? As you can see here, I've already installed it, and here for you will click if you see the install button, just click it, okay? And if after some time you see this, just know you have installed this extension, okay? So after there, as you can see here, I can now write like this one. Now you can write your SQL from here, okay? And then you take it where you want to execute it, okay? So after doing that, you are going to install the MySQL, and I have also a video for that, okay? You are going to install the MySQL. It will be your database management system, okay? So after installing, I have a video for that, guys. There is also a link, it is in the description, okay? I'll show you how you can set up MySQL, okay? MySQL on your computer. And the MySQL, you can to get it, okay? It comes with XAMPP, okay? You can install it with XAMPP, and that is the most recommended way. The most recommended way, okay? You can install it using XAMPP, okay? And I have that video, okay? Okay? It will show you how to install the XAMPP, okay? And after installing XAMPP, as you can see, you will get a folder like this. Let me go to that folder. After installing XAMPP, I have a video for that. Just go in the description. So there, as you can see here, you go where there is a local disk. In the local disk, you will search for the folder called the XAMPP, okay? Let me come here. I want you to see everything. So large icons, okay? So here, as you can see, it is right here, XAMPP, okay? It is right here, XAMPP. Just enter it. After entering, as you can see here, let me go down here. As you can see, locate where there is MySQL. As you can see, I have it. It is right there, okay? MySQL. Then open it. After opening it, you will go where there is bin folder. Go in the bin folder. After going there, you look for something like a MySQL, okay? MySQL, it is right here. As you can see, it is right here. it is the application right here. So after doing that, after locating it and confirming that it is there, just come here and copy the link. Okay, copy this link, copy this path. After copying that path, just close this one, just minimize that one, and then press the Windows button, and then search for environment variable, edit the system environments. Okay, just search for this one. Okay, edit the system environment. Okay, just search for it, like you can search edit the system environment variables. Okay, just open it. After opening it, wait for some time so it will open. Then click here, environment variables, then look for where under the system variables, locate where there is path, and then double click in it. After double clicking in it, come here, you will create a new, click new. Okay, new. After clicking new, then here down here you can paste the path there. Okay, you can paste the path there, and after there click OK, and here click OK again, and click OK again. Okay, so after doing that, what you should do next is now to use I'm going to use the terminal. Okay, so you can use the terminal, or you can go and use the MySQL. Okay, MySQL web page. Okay, so you can do like this, then click this one and search for CMD, click the Windows button, search for CMD, then click open. After opening it, you will get an interface like this. Then to log in, the default credentials are the root, and then the password, the user is root, and then the password is empty. Okay, it is just an empty string. So I'm going to press to type MySQL here, and then I type -- user, then equals to the user we want to use root, equals to root, then I specify the password. The password we want to use, don't just specify, just write / password and end there. Okay, then click enter. After clicking enter, you will be asked to enter the password. Just click enter again. Okay, so after doing that, it will not start. Okay, it will not start because as you can see, can't connect to the MySQL server localhost. Okay, because we have not started the server. Okay, so we need to start the server, and in order to start the server, there are two ways. Okay, you can open XAMPP. Just click the Windows button and search for XAMPP there. Okay, XAMPP there, and click open. Okay, open, and wait for some time. Okay, let us wait. Okay, as I'm showing you another way. Okay, you can also start the server. Start the server here. Okay, it has started. Let me show you this way. Okay, so after opening XAMPP, you can go here under where there is a MySQL, and then you can start. You can click this start button. Okay, and when you click start, as you can see, let us wait. It is starting. As you can see, this admin, okay, will be enabled. This admin button will be enabled. Okay, and if it has been enabled, then you can go here and in the terminal, in your terminal, and then run the previous command. Okay, after running it, which is MySQL -- user equals to root -- space -- a password. Okay, so then you click enter. Okay, then click. Oh, there's something wrong. Okay, let me first. Okay, click enter. After clicking enter, you will be asked for the password. Just click enter. Okay, as you can see, we are in MariaDB, and here the database is none. Okay, so as you can see, we are now in. Okay, so that's one way how you can start the server, and another way I'm going to show you using the terminal. So let us stop this server here in the MySQL. Let us stop the server. Then we go back in the terminal, and we just type exit to exit. Okay, out of the server. Okay, out of the server. So as you can see here, as you are seeing, bye. Okay, so we have exited. So let us run the previous command of logging in, which is -- user equals to root -- password. Okay, don't forget this MySQL. Okay, so after doing that, press enter. No, press enter. Password, we enter. As you can see, if we do that, no, it is no longer running. Okay, the server is no longer running, so we are going to get an error. Okay, so in order to start the server in the terminal, we just press MySQL like that, MySQL D. Okay, and D, MySQL D. Okay, like that, MySQLD, okay, like that, okay, and then press enter. Okay, after pressing enter, your server will be started. Okay, you need, and now you need to maintain this window, okay, opened. Okay, so you can just minimize it and then press the Windows button, and then you type CMD to start another terminal window. Okay, after doing that, now we can log in. Just type MySQL, then dash dash user equals, what is the user? User want to use root, then dash dash password. Password is known, or here I'm forgetting password, like that. Then press enter. Press enter. As you can see, we are now in. Okay, we are now in. Okay, so this is one way how you can start using. As you can see, I can show the databases to see all the databases that I have. Show databases, and then colon. As you can see, I can now perform SQL commands. I can write SQL commands, okay, from here. Okay, another way, you can also open XAMPP. Okay, open XAMPP. As you can see, it is started. So open XAMPP and then click here in the under MySQL and click admin. Okay, this admin button. Okay, so after doing that, let us wait. So after sometimes Microsoft Edge is going to open up. Okay, so let us first wait. Let us wait. As you can see here, okay, so we have clicked this admin button. Okay, so after clicking it, let me click it again. Okay, so let us wait. Okay, so it is not running. As you can see, can't reach this site. Okay, so in order to use this, okay, to use this method, you can just come here back in the XAMPP. Okay, and then you need to start this Apache server. Okay, it is going to give us access to the localhost server. Okay, so we need to start it. Okay, so as you can see, let us click this start, and then after starting it, then let us go back here. Let us go back, and then we'll refresh the page. Okay, let us refresh the page. As you can see, when we refresh, we get this output. Okay, we get this. We go to this page. Okay, so after doing that, just come here, right here, and then you open. You can open. You can see, as you can see, databases, SQL status. So let us click SQL. Okay, and wait for some minute. Okay, not minute, even seconds. Okay, after there, as you can see, show databases. Can we run? As you can see, we can run we can now use our SQL queries. Okay, SQL commands. Okay, so databases. As you can see, we can do that, and then after there, we can come right here, right down here. Let me okay, let me come here. After doing that, let me also want to come right here. Okay, so as you can see here, we can now press go. Let us press go. Show databases, press go. So let us wait. As you can see, the current selection does not contain unique column. Okay, so as you can see, we get nothing. Okay, we get nothing. Okay, we get nothing. So let us, as you can see, the database, we get here nothing, but here down here, as you can see, the databases that we get, as you can see here, we get a BWAP. Oh, no. So we get BWAP. As you can see here, we get BWAP, company first, information, MySQL, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see, query results, operation. So this is what we get. Okay, this is what we get. Okay, so that's how you can also run your SQL queries. Okay, that's one way you can run. Okay, so thank you. Okay.